So ada 7C ni. 7C ni adalah basic kepada how do we make our communication having a clear message. Our communication having a concise message. Our communication is concrete, that people don't need to waste their time, because we have very concrete message and cautious message. Meaning to say, when we communicate with people, people feel merasa dihormati. So itu adalah written communication. Meaning to say, when we say cautious, maksud dia ayat-ayat kita itu adalah ayat-ayat yang menyenangkan orang lain. Maksudnya the politeness addressing itu. Okay. Complete maksudnya you communicate secara jelas. People understand, people tidak terpinga-pinga. Maksudnya communicate itu jelas. Saya rasa kamu inilah yang paling hebat. Lepas tu berhenti tiba-tiba dan stop. Itu incomplete. I think you are the most adorable person because you always wearing smart attire. Dia kena complete. And then coherent maksudnya body language. Non-verbal communication tu mesti coherent, align with your words. Coherent yang lagi satu in the written punya ni maksudnya daripada mula penulisan semua ada kesinambungan. Dia punya synchronization, alignment from the beginning you writing until the current stage or until you completing the communication in writing. Last kali ialah correct. Correct ni grammatical lah. Jangan kamu silap menggunakan perkataan-perkataan sinonim, antonim dan sebagainya. For example, I feel healthy today. Adakah itu betul? I feel healthy today. Yang betulnya, I feel very well today. Begitu contohlah. So ini adalah how you are going to use 7 Cs in a communication. So dalam effective written communication in the topic 7, the Gs ialah PWC. Planning, writing, and completing.